The LTO is sending a clear warning. Reckless driving and road rage will not be tolerated as the agency revokes and suspends the licenses of erring motorists in a nationwide safety crackdown.
Since October last year, the LTO has revoked 434 driver's licenses and suspended 396 others as part of its campaign to make the country's roads safer. Under LTO Chief Marcos Lacanilao, the agency has stepped up action against problematic motorists, with nearly 100 drivers facing lifetime bans. Lacanilao warns that road rage cases will be met with severe penalties.
Ito ang mahigpit kong paalala sa mga motorista. Yun hong mga matagal na nating naging problema ito nung araw pa. Natatandaan nyo, early 90s, ang daming namatay dahil sa road rage. Ang daming nasira ang buhay, ang daming nakulong. Kaya kami sa LTO, maghihigpit kami. Once na na-involve kayo sa road rage, ang rekomendasyon namin ay mawalan kayo ng lisensya panghabang buhay. Basta kayo'y ma-involve sa road rage. Kaya magdalawang isip kayo bago kayo bumaba ng sasakyan at mag-create ng gulo, lalong-lalo na manakit kayo ng ibang tao, ay may kaukulang parusa ang aabutin ninyo.
Aside from lifetime bans, hundreds of drivers received 2 to 4 year revocations, while temporary suspensions ranged from 1 month to 1 year. The agency says show-cause orders, many of which stem from viral social media incidents, come with automatic 90-day preventive suspensions. These penalties may be increased depending on the severity of the violation.
The message is simple. Think twice before letting anger take the wheel, or you could lose your license for good.